Hi friends, here is the first video for 2018. Summer is here and we will be bringing you more crochet projects for this weather. For today, let us create this beautiful summer top. Very simple and ideal for the beach or the club. We have used 3 mm crochet hook and green and black color yarn. You can use any color you want. Start with chain 35 for small size. For bigger sizes, you can increase the chain after measuring your body. In the 5th stitch from the hook, make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. Here in this way we make the first flower. Skip 5 stitches, make the flower again. 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the same stitch. So we have made 2 flowers. Continue like this till the end of the chain. For 35 stitches, you will have 5 flowers in total. After 5 flowers, make 1 double crochet in the last stitch of the chain. Chain 3 and turn your work. Make the flower again in chain 1 of the previous row and make 1 chain between 2 flowers. Make 8 rows. From 9th row, add 2 chains between the flowers instead of 1. Continue like this for 9 more rows. So we will have 17 rows in total. You can change the rows to less or more depending on the size of your body. We have completed the front portion. Now attach the black yarn. Make double crochet in each stitch on the side for 11 rows. Chain 2, turn, continue double crochet in each stitch till you have reached the length you require. Do this for the other side also. Make the hole on both the sides of the top to tie the top in the last round. We have not shown how to make the hole because it's easy. You can make it accordingly and make 1 chain on the top area to have it around your neck. This is the final top. This is how it looks from the front. If you have any questions or queries, you can contact us on Facebook or Instagram or just comment on the video. Subscribe to stay updated for more videos. Thank you.